Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. So the reason I'm doing this video is because for my last trip to Barcelona I did not enjoy wearing a wig at all. Like, yes, it looked cute, it looked nice for the gram, whatever, but practically speaking, it was not fun at all, especially for a summer holiday getaway where you want to be in the ocean or in the pool and you can't fully submerge yourself because of your laid frontal and all of that stuff. It just wasn't for me. For my trip to Italy, I had my natural hair. I did different hairstyles every single day and it worked out really well and it was very convenient. Also for my trip to Austria, I had my natural hair out and I was doing different hairstyles again, just with my hair, nothing extra, and it was really convenient. And the Austrian trip wasn't even like a coastal trip or anything like that. There were no pools and no beaches involved, but it was just so much better. So basically I'm going to be showing you guys different hairstyles that you can try and you can do very easily, very not time consuming at all, okay? If you are traveling somewhere or even just for your everyday life, like you can rock a different hairstyle to work every single day with the hairstyles that I'm going to show you guys. So if you want to do this, just know it's going to involve a lot of heat. If you are an anti-heat, relaxed hair person, then click off this video. Actually, don't click off this video, keep watching. But just know it's going to involve a lot of heat. If you want to try to do this hairstyle, if you're a natural hair girly, you can definitely, try to replicate some of them with your natural hair. It's still gonna work. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna get into the actual hairstyles that I'm gonna show you guys. So if you want to keep watching that, definitely stay tuned. Also give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As I mentioned, these hairstyles are gonna require a lot of heat. So if you are doing them at home, please use your heat protecting spray. The one that I'm using is this Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protecting Spray. The first hairstyle that I'm going to show you guys is how I curl my hair using my curling wand. I'm going to stick with the side parting because I feel like that's the most flattering parting for my face, but it's not the only parting that I do because we are versatile, okay? If you are using a curling wand, please make sure you use a glove as well so that you don't get burns. For me, this is a relatively quick hairstyle. I wear my glove on my left hand and it stays on my left hand the whole time. I start from doing my hair at the back, split my hair into two halves rather from the back, and then I start curling from the back. I'm not really bothered by which direction I'm curling in. I just want to make sure that my curls are curly. So grab the curling wand. I'm just gonna turn to show you guys what I do, but I put the wand underneath my hair, then I wrap my hair around it. I count to 10 seconds in my head because really that's how long it needs to actually curl, and then I pull the wand out and I'm still holding onto the hair in the curls and let that cool in my hands for a couple of seconds, and then I let it go, and there you have your curl. And I'm essentially gonna do that till I come to the front. So that's my hair all curled up. Normally this is a point where you would spray your holding spray on and let it cool down completely before you comb it out. But girl, I'm not going anywhere. Actually I am, but I'm not going anywhere. So I'm actually just gonna comb it out, and I'm not gonna use the holding spray because I'm gonna do different hairstyles and I don't want this to be the only hairstyle that holds. So you wanna do this with a wide tooth comb and just comb out your curls, baby. Comb them out, play around with them, shape them around your face, and yeah, that's the hairstyle. It's done. I just love when my hair is bouncy. But basically, that's the first hairstyle. The thing about curling your hair is that you have to get comfortable with using the tool that you're using, and you have to get like comfortable with figuring out which direction to curl and how it looks in each direction and what, you know, frames your face better. And then once you get that down, you'll be able to like do this hairstyle in literally 5 to 10 minutes. The next hairstyle involves clip-in extensions. I'm a huge fan of clip-in extensions, and I 10 out of 10 recommend making them yourself, because then you will save on the extensions and you can customize them to the shape of your head. So if you want to learn how to make clip-in extensions, I have a video on that. I will link it in the description box, and as well as up here, so you can easily access that video. So for this hairstyle, we're going to do the half up, half down hairstyle. It's one of my faves to do, especially on holiday, because then I can add more length to my hair and I can have my hair out of my face. And yeah, I just think it's a really cute hairstyle. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it with my clip-in extensions. First, I'm going to part my hair into the bit that's going to go up and the bit that's going to stay down. So I actually prefer to do mine with the hair on the side staying down and then just literally like the middle going up. I'm going to pop in the extensions at the back, and then I will pop in the extensions at the front. So I'm done applying it to the back. You can see it's a lot more voluminous. There's more length, and I'm just gonna pop like a few clip-ins into this bit and tie it up. So with this bit, right, neatness isn't the biggest thing. The biggest thing is making sure that the tracks of the clip-in extensions cannot be seen. Like, this must look like it's entirely just your hair, okay? So you need to scam anyone who comes up to you and is like, oh my gosh, is that your hair? Say yes, you bought it, so it's yours. So essentially what you want to make sure is that nobody can see the tracks, so you can say yes confidently and people will believe that it's your hair, okay? So this is your half up, half down hairstyle. Isn't it cute? Oh, I think it's such a cute hairstyle. I just love it. What I would normally do after putting in the clip-in extensions for this hairstyle is to then curl it. But I'm not going to do that now because I obviously did like the first curls on just my natural hair, and that's giving it like this little bit of a wavy look that it's got going. And I think just like this, it's hella cute. Anyways, let me stop beating myself. But I think this is such a cute hairstyle. It's one of my favorite go-to hairstyles when I'm like, I don't know what to do with my hair and I don't want to just have my own hair only. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? Have you done it before with clip-in extensions? I just feel like the clip-ins just add a lot more volume and obviously add more length, and I like that about it. But yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I just took down all those clip-in extensions that I just put in, because the next hairstyle we are not using clip-in extensions. You could, but this is not a hairstyle that I do with clip-in extensions. It is gonna be a ponytail look. So the first one, we're gonna take like the front bit and just literally however much you want, just leave that out. I would suggest clipping it aside and then putting your hair up. So I generally put my hair up by bending forward, down. So bend over and then comb my hair up into the ponytail that I want it to be in. The reason I don't like to do this hairstyle with clip-in extensions anymore is because I like for my hair to be as smooth and as laid as possible, and if you've got the tracks from the clip-in extensions, then it might not be as smooth and as laid as possible. So once I am done putting my hair up, I'm going to grab my ponytail hair, which I got off AliExpress. I will link it below, but I don't think it's the best quality because this thing gets tangled AF. Like, it is actually the reason my comb was broken today, because I was trying to detangle this. But if you spray a bit of like detangling spray or even water on it, it makes a difference. But like, personally, if you know of another brand that's better, I would say go with the better brand, because this thing just gets tangled and it's not cute. But anyways, I still use it, so whatever. I'm gonna just pop it into my hair real quick. What I wanted to mention is what I like about this hair is that it actually comes with this bit that you use to wrap around, so you don't need to like partition a separate piece of hair to wrap around the ponytail to make it look like it's your hair. Once you are done wrapping that piece around your ponytail, you can go ahead and then, you know, pin it in place using bobby pins. And the technique that I use for bobby pins is to use 2 of them and make them into an X shape, like crisscross them, and this will secure the bobby pins and they will not go anywhere. So this is the ponytail. For your baby hairs or to sleek your edges down, I would suggest using the Eco Styling Gel. For the first variation of this hairstyle, you're going to just take that little front piece that you left out, comb it out, sleek it, and then pin it on the back. All done. You can, you know, at this point like fix your edges or whatever you need to do. And I think this is a really cute hairstyle, even though this hair is a bit meh. It's a really cute hairstyle and it works. Then the second variation of this hairstyle is the same thing, except you don't pin it at the back. You literally just let this baby hang loose. And again, you know, that's the hairstyle. But what I do like to do is to actually curl the front piece a little bit, or a lot bit, whatever. And I'm gonna do it with my curling wand. Super quick and easy, and yeah, it's literally doing the same hairstyle but like switching it up just a little bit so you're not doing the exact same thing and then you don't get bored of the hairstyle. I do have to say that my favorite thing about that ponytail piece is how bouncy it is. Even though it does get detangled a lot, it's actually really bouncy and it feels nice when you move, and it doesn't feel heavy, so that's nice. So I'm just gonna move on to the next hairstyle, which is actually also a ponytail look, except it is a low ponytail look, which I did recently, and I thought it was cute because then I was able to like just pop on a hair accessory. I did a hairband with that look. You'll find it on my Instagram. If you aren't following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Follow me on Instagram, please. I'll put my handle and stuff down below, but it's literally the same as my YouTube handle. So literally just like put your hair all the way back and tie it in a low ponytail. And this time I'm actually not using that ponytail extension. What I'm using is literally just what do I call this, tracks. There are no clips in it. It's literally just one bundle of hair, 18 inches hair. It's the second bundle from the bundle that I used to make the clip-in extensions, I think. I'm pretty sure it is. What I do is I fold it, the weft, into 2, and then I pop a bobby pin into the one end, and that bobby pin is what I'm going to use to literally pin into through the hairband that I tied my hair with and then into my hair. You don't have to pin it through the hairband. I just like to do that. And then I'm going to take the weft and literally wrap it tightly around my hair's ponytail. making sure that you are actually wrapping it tightly by pulling after you loop it around each time, or every other time anyway. Obviously, don't make it uncomfortably tight. And then once you're done looping it around, you can go in with a bobby pin and secure it. Now that it has been installed, I'm then gonna pick up a piece, kind of like that little piece on the clip-in ponytail that I'm gonna use to loop around just to hide the tracks and make sure it looks like my own hair. After this, you can go ahead and put on a headband, or not put on a headband, whatever you want to do. I just liked that because there wasn't much going on with my hair. I was allowed the space to be able to do something in terms of accessorizing and adorning my head with a crown. Anyways, this is the hairstyle. It's nice. It just adds a bit of length, and I think it's a very classy look. If you're going for like a dressy event, then you can like really bring it with the face and then go easy with the hair, or you can be a little bit moderate with the face and pop a little accessory on your head, you know, just work around with it and do whatever makes you comfortable at the end of the day. But that is it from me. This is the last hairstyle I'm going to share with you guys today. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, this is it. This is where I'm going to end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you will be trying out the hairstyles. If you do, definitely tag me on Instagram so that I can see them. But yeah, that's it from me. Enjoy the rest of your evening and stay safe. Love you guys. Bye.